If you work in GIMP often, creating a template is one of the fastest ways to save time and keep your project settings consistent. In this video, I'll show you how to create a canvas dimension template in GIMP so you can quickly reuse the same size, aspect ratio, resolution, and even color profile settings whenever you start a new project. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy GIMP tips and software guides. Let's jump in. First, open GIMP and set up your current project the way you want it to be saved as a template. This means choosing the canvas size that matches your workflow, whether that's for YouTube thumbnails, social media graphics, print designs, or any custom project size you use often. You can also make sure your aspect ratio is correct, so every new file starts with the same proportions. If your project requires a specific resolution, set that now as well. For example, if you're working for web, you might use a standard screen resolution, and if you're working for print, you may want a higher DPI setting. Once your canvas is set up exactly the way you want, look at the top of the screen and click File in the menu bar. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From that menu, select Create Template. This is the feature that lets you save the current image setup as a reusable preset inside GIMP. After you click Create Template, a small pop-up window will appear asking you to name your template. Choose a descriptive name that will make sense later, especially if you plan to create multiple templates. For example, you could name it something like YouTube thumbnail 1280x720, Instagram post square, or print flyer A4. The more specific the name is, the easier it will be to find later. Once you've typed in the template name, click OK. GIMP will save the template to your local system library. That means it will now be available whenever you create a new image without needing to rebuild the settings from scratch each time. This is especially helpful if you have a repeatable workflow and want to avoid setting canvas size, resolution, and other image properties over and over again. Now here's the best part. The next time you want to use that exact setup, go back to File, then choose New. In the New Image window, look for the template drop-down list and select the template you just created. GIMP will automatically apply those saved settings, giving you a quick and consistent starting point for your design. This simple feature can save a lot of time, reduce mistakes, and make your editing workflow much more efficient. Instead of manually entering the same dimensions every time, you can launch directly into your work with one click. If you found this GIMP tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next software guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.